Hi, my name is Marie and welcome to my YouTube channel, Marilet's World. I'm here at Walgreens for some last-minute couponing. It's Saturday and tomorrow starts a new week of deals. But today I want to use some high-value digital coupons and hopefully this store has stock and would help me get big savings.
Arizona iced tea, 2 for $1 plus CRV. Scott Comfort Plus toilet paper, $5. There's a $1.25 store coupon. Arm & Hammer laundry detergent, $6.99. Buy one get two free. Oral-B Floss Fix, $3.99. When you purchase 2, you get 3 register rewards. Tresemme shampoo and conditioner, 2 for $8. Got 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner, and I'll be using a $5 digital coupons on 2 Tresemme products. I'm getting 2 floss picks and I'll be using a $3 digital coupons on 2. I'm getting 3 Arm & Hammer laundry detergent. They are $6.99 each, but when you purchase 1, you get 2 free, and I'll be using a $1 digital coupon. Carefree liner, 54 count, 2 for $8. There's a $3 digital coupon on 2 and a $1 store coupon on 2. So this is my transaction using all digital coupons. Laundry detergent, toilet paper, hair care, Carefree, and floss picks. So this is one transaction. This is my receipt. Arizona iced tea, Arm & Hammer, Tresemme, Oral-B floss picks, Carefree liners, and Scott toilet paper. The cashier made a mistake and scanned the liner 3 times. I only got 2 of them. I only bought 2. I did not want to go back for the correction because the digital coupon also made up for it. Here are the coupons that applied. $1.25 coupon for the Scott Comfort Plus toilet paper applied. Also 50-cent store coupon for the Carefree liners. That's 3 times 50 cents. That's $1.50 because the cashier scanned my item 3 times instead of 2. Because of that, 2 digital coupons applied. The $6 Carefree coupon, and there's another $3 Carefree digital coupon, and there's a $1 Scott Comfort Plus manufacturer's coupon, making the total $22.15 including tax. I scanned the receipt with my Fetch Rewards app and got 880 points, which is equal to 88 cents for the Scott toilet paper and Tresemme shampoo and conditioner. It makes the final cost at $21.27 or $1.77 each, even without a booster coupon.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Click the thumbs up button and remember to subscribe to my channel, Marilet's World, and check out my playlist for uploads on couponing, DIY, restoration, and food-related videos. I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day.